Okay, so I've got this phone, and the screen keeps cracking on it, and I bought loads of glass screens, but they just seem to be breaking because this phone's got a case, and the case it's so tight that a bit of pressure sometimes ruins the screen, and because of that, it doesn't allow you to use your screen, and it puts like lines on it just because of the pressure. So I bought loads of nice glass screen protectors, but it just doesn't seem to do the job. And what I've done is I've got this plastic. This plastic is made for cars, and what you do if you've got like a very expensive vehicle, normally people put this wrap on there, and this wrap has got certain properties, such as it's got some self-healing, and it's it protects you from scratches and dents, and so having a look at it, I've used it on this hat, helmet, and it's quite good with what you can do with it, how you can mold it around, and so it just got me thinking, rather than keep buying lots of different screen protectors, I thought, why not use the same material as a screen protector, as it just does the it seems like it's the same sort of thing, or maybe better, maybe worse, I don't know. The the plastic can be molded, and molded with heat. So what I'll do is I'll just see if it goes on first. Also, I'm not gonna put it on the camera. I'm just gonna cut a slice out, put it on, and see what happens. Alright, so I've just put a little setup here, and I'm going to clean the phone a little bit. I'm going to use a bit of hand sanitizer. Alright. I don't have any other cleaning products, but I guess this is quite safe. So alright, so that took a long time to put on. It looks like that. There are a few scratches, but I'm hoping that there's another layer on here I can remove. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks pretty good. It's not the best, but it's pretty good, I think. There are a few little bubbles, but I'll see how it goes. I'm actually quite happy with that. Yeah, so boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it seems alright, you know. So yeah, works fine. Yeah. So, so far it worked fine, and this stuff. You can get you can buy for like meters. You can get meters of it for like £10. And you can make hundreds of screen protectors for anyone. But it's only if it works out well. I mean, for what it's doing right now, it's alright. And I guess it won't crack. You might need it for, you know, a different reason. You know, if you're buying lots of phones or you've got a few, and you might want to protect them and can't afford them, just buy a whole reel of this material. It's called car paint protection film, vinyl wrap guard. So it looks like that. And so for this one was let me just see, it says it's £11, £11.63 for 50 centimeters by 200 centimeters. So that's like basically 50 centimeters, I think, is around that big. 200 is about two of them. So I might be wrong, but it's like, I guess it's like two of these. So one and then two. So let's just fit one phone in there. I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's that? That's 18 then. 18 times 2 is 36. 36. I mean, you don't even have to use it for that. I bought it original to use it for that, but ended up just right now using it as a screen protector, and yeah, it's fine. Seems alright. I'll play a few games on it and see how it goes, and just put on Mario Kart, and I'll have a quick race. Oh yeah. And see how it goes. Let's just see how well the touchscreen works. second. Anyway, it was quite good. It actually worked out really, really well. Yeah, that was alright. You know, like I said, the screen seems fine. The for something that's not a screen protector, it actually works really well for it. The touch works quite well for what it is. But like I said, you can see some sort of like a ripple of some sort, and there is a scratches on there from my finger dabbing, but it's meant to be scratch proof, so we'll see, because it's made for cars. This is one of the cheapest ones. You get different prices, so yeah, see how that goes. If you're someone who wants to save money on screen protectors, I mean, they're cheap, but if you've got lots of phones, or you're repairing other people's phones or anything like that, it can help. And one of the good things is that you could probably wrap the whole phone in this material and it make it waterproof. So that's it really.